What's up, everyone? Welcome back to HelpCoin, your home for fixing crypto. I'm your host at HelpCoin Marketplace, and I hope you're having a great day. Thanks, lower back. I hope your day is over. This is something you should listen to on your way home from work. And in this film, we'll go over what Jerome Powell said, again, this time about the banks. I know that during my rant in the last tape, I made a rookie mistake. There was a clear break in my speech because I forgot. Don't let everyone know that I covered you. Coin maxis. Yes, they could talk about ETFs. Why not? So without further ado, please sit down again and relax. Let's fly right into a Bitcoin mother that's still above 1 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That's where you need to look. It's getting ready for its next leg up. Mark my words. We have saved more than 1. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and are about to take off. 42 cents, which means it's up about 2.5%, friends. Ethereum has been really bad, but will show up. Chainlink will take off with Ethereum when it takes off. Also, Quad is going to fly with it at 3,218 points. It is currently up 2.84%. XRP, someone flick it a bit. As of this morning, it was worth $3.09, so it hasn't changed that much. All of them are worth $1 USD. Is XRP and is slightly up right now. Okay, that's fine. Polkadot is still doing great with gains of just over 5%. After that, there's Ando, which makes me so mad. And I get it at $1.30. It's more than 9.33% higher now. It'd be great if this thing went the other way and we could get a better entry on it. A little lower for banks to do their job with Bitcoin. Okay, to sum up, the head of the US Federal Reserve just told you that banks are fully ready and equipped to serve cryptocurrency customers. What does this mean? How strong is that? Let's break it down. Do you really think that the banks got everything set up in one day, switched to the new DLT virtual ledger technology, and used all of these unique softwares and blockchains all at the same time? This has been planned for years. This has been checked out. This has been through every test you can think of. Right now, they're telling you, look, we're ready to go. Everything works. All of a sudden, you know all of the screws. Everything turned out okay. At this point, we are ready to help everyone. He's telling you that the important infrastructure is in the area and has been checked. He's telling you to get ready for compliance. This man is telling you that the bank and the goods can help crypto businesses and buyers. Storage, cash, on and off ramps, crypto fee integration, funding and trading services, and stablecoin support. In short, banks aren't stopping crypto transactions. Instead, they're helping businesses with their specialized services. This is big. This is what we were excited about. They only told everyone about it yesterday. Then we got this. I put it out there. And I said, I can't wait for today because it's so true. Into JP Morgan, plug my book into the system and watch you figure out how much money it's worth and how much they're willing to pay for it. It reminds me of when you used to go to the grocery store and put all of your cash into that machine. You watched it add up all of your changes and tell you that they were worth X amount of dollars. After that, they might get the money back. The amount of crypto you pass in will be the same. They're going to have a touchscreen. You just put it on. Get a lot. How much do you need to sell? You need to give us everything. We'd like to keep some of it. What should you do with it? I can't believe how close we are. This month, you'll start to see those crypto platform services become available through your banks. Then we have this from Turtle Capital. An ETF with a daily goal of 2x XRP. It was shown on CNBC. Pay attention. We'll stay on topic with ETFs as we move on to the latest news. Capital wants to put out leverage ETFs for a number of crypto tokens, such as the Trump and Millennium Joke Cash. On Monday, the ETF provider told the SEC about the 2x leverage funds. If these price ranges are approved, investors might be able to add to their gains if the spot rate goes up, but they could also lose the whole main fee if the underlying asset drops more than 50% in a day. They need to bonk any other joke token, and larger cap altcoins like XRP are also on the list of proposed budgets for leverage. I told you those ETFs would be coming fast and furious. The more ETFs, cash, and demand there is, the better the prices will be. The CTO of Ripple tells all over cryptominute.com, this is about the Bitcoin maxis, the whining and crying. All of them are very disappointed. Schwartz told him that the Bitcoin people crew, clan, or whatever we want to call them, is going after XRP because they don't want to give all cryptocurrencies the same chances, making it clear that they're against fair competition first. They had been against the banks up until now. At this point, they are chair leading for the banks. They might be for honest competition now, and then they'll be cheering for honest competition. You already know how this works. David said that XRP is a chance for them. We start to push for a stage playing subject in which the government doesn't favor some people over others. Things like that were always what the Marxist maximum was afraid of. The crypto leaders wrote about it in a post to get the US government to create a nationwide cryptocurrency fund that isn't just focused on Bitcoin. Ripple has been writing a lot. It was suggested that the planned reserve should not only hold Bitcoin, but also other digital assets by the crypto company. He's also smart. You put money into, say, the stock market or any other trading vehicle, look at how it's growing. What did they say about putting all your eggs in one basket? Do you really believe that the US will put all of their eggs in one box, especially one that they can't change? Not at all. This goes to reserve. There will be Trump coins in there, I promise you. I'm sure Melina's coin is somewhere in there. XRP is going to be there. There's a good chance that Bitcoin is in this salon on this part. There will be a whole basket of then show up in the first 10 days of President Trump's administration. Take a look at everything that was done. Orders from the president about crypto and AI. The SEC turned down SB 141, which would have let banks store crypto assets. That was the day before today when we saw Jerome Powell talk about this. For sure, banks can now serve crypto clients, as we said. When will the strategic Bitcoin store come next? Not likely. It's more likely to be a crypto hoard on top of everything else. We find out information about Ando and Ripple. Why is it so huge? So who are Ando's parents? Very simple. Tokenizing real-world assets owned by RWAs is what this blockchain-based financial tool does best. Alternate 5 is fixed by it. So traditional finance will go against autonomous finance by offering tokenized versions of goods that are used by institutions. For what reason do we talk about this now? Simple price range for US government bonds. Real foreign assets like bonds and treasuries are turned into tokens and put on the blockchain, which is a decentralized lending protocol. RWAs are going to be